pharmacists, are you thinking of moving to Australia by clearing the OPRA exam? Well, you definitely have made the right decision. Because right now, there are more than 3,000 current openings for registered pharmacists and about 185,000 visas for skilled workers in Australia. And even better, you can earn an annual salary of 50 lakh INR. Isn't that amazing? But to get there, you need to pass the OPRA exam, and choosing the right preparation course is a must. And in this video, let me tell you about the best OPRA exam preparation course in India. But before we begin, hit the bell icon for more amazing updates on global healthcare opportunities and how to grab them. Okay, enough talkings, let's begin now. Now, for those who are new to our channel, let me first explain what the OPRA exam is. So, OPRA is an Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment. It is an exam for overseas pharmacists to check whether they meet Australian standards of healthcare or not. Now, this exam is a must if you want to become a pharmacist in Australia. Now, this exam consists of a single paper with 120 multiple choice questions to be completed in 2.5 hours. Now, you might be wondering, can I prepare for the OPRA exam on my own? Well, you can try, but let me tell you, this exam is not a piece of cake. It is designed to test whether you truly meet Australian pharmacy standards. And trust me, you don't want to take any chances with that. This is exactly why choosing the right OPRA preparation course is super important. And when it comes to the best OPRA exam preparation course in India, the answer is simple: Academically. With Academically's OPRA exam preparation course, you get everything that you need to pass in your first attempt. And let me tell you why choosing this course will give you an edge in your preparation. You will get 120 plus hours of live and recorded video tutorials according to the new OPRA exam pattern. And practice makes a man perfect. That's why in this course you will get study handouts, mock tests and final OPRA grand test so that you are fully prepared. You will also get direct access to OPRA course trainers. You can interact with expert trainers who will guide you at every step of the way. You will also get one-on-one feedback sessions with trainers to work on your weaknesses and sharpen your strengths. And for the first time in India, Academically has introduced AI-driven OPRA exam mock tests based on RASC methodology. It is an advanced system that adapts to your skill level so you know exactly where you stand and what to improve. Also, Academically has a proven success rate of more than 91%. So, if you are serious about passing the OPRA exam, this course is 100% worth it. With the right guidance, practice and expert support, you will be one step closer to becoming a registered pharmacist in Australia. Still have questions? Well, drop them in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more updates on overseas healthcare careers. So that's it. See you in the next video. Until then, happy studying.